Just because you've torn a ligament or possibly even broken a bone doesn't mean you have to rush off to the emergency room. Orlando Health now has several walk-in clinics that deal with just about any orthopedic issue you can imagine. Joining us now to discuss is Lauren Kearney from the Orlando Health Jewett Orthopedic Institute. Thanks for being here, Lauren.
Thanks for having me.
Lauren, this is so great because these types of injuries are so common. Your kids are climbing a tree, they fall out, you're playing pickleball, you hurt your ankle, and you can just come right here and get specialized care for an ortho problem.
Absolutely, yeah. And the thing that's nice about that, exactly what you said, same day access most of the time. So it's nice if you have a kid that falls and has an injury on the soccer field, if you have a flare up of your knee arthritis or low back pain, you can come straight to us. And wait time is typically going to be shorter than an emergency department. And the thing that's nice about it is you're going to get back there, we're going to get x-rays that are appropriate for your injury, and you're going to see a nurse practitioner or a physician assistant that's specialized in orthopedics right off the bat. So you're kind of bypassing an extra appointment there.
And then you can actually do the imaging right here. They don't have to go to another facility. And you can give people a brace, you can give them a cast, you can basically do anything they need.
Yeah, absolutely. What's nice is if you go to the ER and urgent care, and they're wonderful, you know, they see a variety of different issues. Is typically, you know, many times you can get an x-ray and some sort of splint, but you know, usually at that point you're going to be referred to orthopedics anyway. We're sort of taking out that middleman. You're going to come to us, you're going to get the x-rays like you said, and you know, depending on what you need, potentially cast, splint, a brace if needed, medication if needed, and if you do have something like like an ACL tear or something like that, we can get an MRI ordered for you and we can get you into a surgeon's office relatively quickly.
What kind of patients are you seeing on a day-to-day basis?
Oh goodness, we're seeing everything from little kids, you know, that fall on the slide. We have kids, you know, and adolescents that get injured on the soccer field. You know, we have professional athletes that we take care of. The entire lifespan we see. So everything from arthritis, aches and pains to your acute sports injuries with high-level athletes. We see it all.
So you're in here day to day. I would imagine you have some success stories or patients that you've dealt with that you're just like, wow, they came in here, they were a mess, they really needed help, and we got them out the door and feeling better.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's wonderful. You know, you have the athlete that comes in off the field and you know they have a bad injury, you get the MRI sometimes same day, next day, and you get them into surgery within a week, and it's just amazing to see the recovery.
So we are actually at the walk-in clinic at the downtown Orthopedic Institute, but you have several locations all around Central Florida.
We do. We have several across Central Florida, and some of them with extended hours during the week and also on the weekends, and we have more opening this year and next. So our website is going to be the best place to find updated information on locations and hours.
It's another reason to choose well with Orlando Health. And if you would like more information, you can visit orlandohealth.com/walk-in.